going to talk a little bit about place value in the junior school, and if I was asked what's the most important concept for the students to master, it is place value, because place value underpins all our understandings of numbers. Now, the first thing I want to make clear is it's called place value for a reason. And the reason it's called place value is because the place of the digit gives us its value. It's not a column, it's a place. So that 4 is in the ones place and has a value of 4. This 1 is in the tens place and it has a value of 10. And one of the things that it's really important to always do is to call that 10. Never call it 1. It doesn't have a value of 1. And that's where students sometimes do get confused, and they sometimes think that that could be 5 because it's 4 and 1, or it's 14. Our teen numbers are the area where you will need to spend the most time with your juniors. Going from a 1-digit number to a 2-digit number and into the teens is quite challenging. And so some of the things that you can do to help your child is you can have concrete materials, and you can actually have these at home. Icy pole sticks are a great way to teach place value, because straight away they're able to see, and you can get them to check by counting, that these are 10, it's always 10. This is a bundle and it's always 10. And then they can physically make the numbers that they want to make. If they want to make 14, they can see that it's 1 10 and 4 ones. If you want to add one more, it becomes 15 because you're adding one more. But if you add another bundle, you're adding 10 more and it becomes 25. And you can work with counting forwards and backwards, adding 10, 10 less, which is all part of place value by using these concrete materials. Another challenge for students, especially when they get to 3-digit numbers, is numbers with zeros. They sometimes don't know where to put the 0. Again, working on those sorts of numbers in isolation is a really good way to focus on what to do. So for example, for 110, often students will write 110, and they've actually made it a thousands number. What we need to establish is that 4-digit numbers are never hundreds, they're always thousands. And so that number cannot be 110 because it has a 1 in the thousands place. So anything you can do to help establish the place and the value of the number, writing numbers, talking about numbers, 10 more, 10 less, is really important in the junior grades.